Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to show you how to create a sales invoice for multiple sales order belonging to the same customer. In order to do that, you have to go to Sales module, go to Sales Invoice. This is a transaction screen that will open up. Click on Create New. Once you click on Create New, the screen will open for the sales invoice. Now here on the screen, you will have simple mode and advanced mode. Toggle it to go in advanced mode, and then the sales order field or column, just click on this lookup lens icon. Click on this, and now system will show you all the pending sales order which needs to be invoiced. You can filter by document number or you can filter by the customer name. Let's say I'm going to filter by customer code 001. I have here 3 to 4 sales order. I'm going to select right now only 2 sales order. Click on add items. So once you add the respective sales order, it can be more than 1 or 2, anything as required. All the information will be automatically filled, and then the items will be added. As you can see, the VAT, the items, and the items which belongs to which sales order, it can be added here. The precautionary measure that needs to be taken here is the sales order should belong to one customer. And as all the information is filled, you can change the quantity which you're going to invoice, and then just click on add. That's it. Your sales invoice is created for multiple sales against the same customer. If you have a workflow module, then this notification will be shown to approve. Then once approved, you can print this invoice and it will have a QR code. In order to print, click on this print button, or in fact, you can also click on this print icon. This is your invoice layout. Thank you.